Hi, welcome to the Optimal Sizing Calculator. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get started with the tool. To download the tool, go to Store4HUC website. Link to the website is in the description box below. Click on Tools and scroll down a bit to find the download link. You can choose between few different languages. Click on a link and download the tool as a zip file. Once the download is finished, go to the folder where you downloaded the zip file and extract files to any folder on your computer. Open the Excel file called Optimal Sizing Calculator. Enable the content if your program opens it in a protected view, and also enable macros. A welcome message box should appear. Once you click OK, you can start using the tool. To use the tool, it is very simple. Enter all the parameters and click on Calculate Optimal Sizes. Please be aware that the calculation process is time-consuming. It could last from 10 minutes up to several hours, mostly depending on the entered parameters. During the calculation, the tool will display messages about the current progress, and the status bar will be indicating that the calculation is running. When the calculation is finished, your results will appear in the Results section. Also, the status bar will be indicating it, and the corresponding message will be displayed. During the calculation process, you can click on Cancel Calculation button to stop it. A corresponding message will appear. By clicking on Default Values, battery storage parameters and PV system parameters will be overwritten by default ones, while the basic parameters will be cleared. For more information about this tool, you can check out its user manual, which can be found in the same Excel document under the tab User Manual. User manual comes in a PDF form as well, in the same folder as this Excel file. Also, you can take a look at other videos of this tutorial.